Well, how to prevent COVID? Well, in our modern medicine, is you have to stay away from someone had the virus and do quarantine, and that's the main thing. And also wash your hand and wash your hand often, wash your hand well. That also is a good way to prevent COVID as well. On others, the people say it take extra vitamin C or zinc, can also help boosting your immune system, can help you to prevent, well, COVID. If you catch a COVID, that will help you fight the virus better. That's all the good theories. And but like today's world, if we don't, uh, if we not don't live in a cave, not a caveman, so it'd be difficult to stay away from being infected. So we're living the lives interact with each other so much, including myself. I was very careful. Um, I was wearing mask faithfully, and I carry a hand sanitizer in my car, in my pocket, and I use it faithfully. I still caught it. See, because when the people coughing, just one cough can spread millions of the virus, like a machine gun, like a bomb. I mean, one person cough can go to the whole store can cover with the virus. See, it's not only just landing in the nose, you can land in my eye as well. So it can be land on the food. I will eat the food. I can also get infected. So it's difficult to stay away or keep away from the virus. Although some country uses it's a very effective way to prevent the big pandemic. It's an effective way and a good way to do it. And China and other countries proved it. Well, but in Asian Chinese medicine, we also have wisdom to share with you. Uh, so in Asian Chinese medicine, we believe in a booming immune system, your qi, your good energy to fight the virus. If you have good immune system, even you catch the virus, you will have no symptom or have very minimum symptoms, then you get over it. That's how the natural you get your vaccine. Okay, once you infected with it, you'll be immune to it. So how to maintain strong immunity is the key. So they have 5 things you can do to maintain your healthy immunity. So this is how you do it. Number 1 is dress warm, because the cold can bring your immune system down, lower your immunity, so you will catch the virus easier or being sick easier. So just like old grandma saying, if you tell me I caught a cold, the grandma will tell you, why don't you dress warm? Dress warm, you will not catch a cold. It's real. If you dress warm, you have less chance to catch it. The cold catches flu. You have less chance to be sick from the COVID virus. Well, number 2 is eat well. Eat a balanced diet. Make sure you eat plenty protein and vegetable and others. Eat a very good meal. Try to eat 3 meals a day. Eat regularly. And if you only eat 1 meal a day, or you eat less during the COVID pandemic time, you lack any nutrition deficiency will cause your immune system going down. not just vitamin C or vitamin D, any nutrition, protein or vitamin E or any, whatever, zinc, any nutrition deficiency can cause your immune system going down. So you have to eat healthy, balanced diet, right, in order to maintain good immunity, especially protein. All your immune cell is made from protein. They need the protein to make the immune cells to fight the virus. So, and water too. Make sure drink plenty of water, keep hydrated. And normally, when you catch the cold or have the flu, your doctor recommend you to drink more water. But you should drink more water before you catch the virus. Okay. So number 3 will be sleep well. If you don't sleep well, your body is stressed out. Your immunity will go down. If you sleep 8 hours and rest well, if someone only sleep 2 hours a night, the person sleep less, the body is stressed, they will catch the virus. I mean, not just catch the virus easier, they will get sick from the virus easier than the person sleep 8 hours rest well. So even you can catch the virus, but if you have a strong immunity, you may not have a symptom or have very low symptoms. But if your immunity is low, you might have severe symptoms. You may potentially lose life from it even can. So sleep well is very important too. Okay. Number 4 is exercise regularly. So you have all the immune cells in your body. They must be circulating. When they don't circulate, they will not be able to reach the area to fight the virus. They're not going to check the bad guys to catch them, just like police. If some bad guy hide in the mountain, they hide there in the mountain, the police cannot get there, the road is blocked, and then the bad guy can multiply. But if in the city, the police can patrolling all the time, you can catch them easily. They will not be multiplied, be under control easier. So when you exercise regularly, your blood promotes your lymph cell circulate, or your immune cell to patrol your body every single corner to try to catch the bad guy, which is the virus. Once you recognize the virus, that react to the virus, then take care right away. That way you will not being sick. So exercise is one good way to maintain good immune system. You exercise regularly. You don't do much, don't need to have to do extreme competitive exercise. You just need to do just regular exercise, such like walking or aerobic or just, stationary biking. Just all this for half hour to 1 hour a day. It will be fair. So you should exercise regularly. So number 5 is manage your stress well. But if you don't manage your stress well, you work too hard, you're overstressed, or you don't manage your emotion well, you're overstressed by your emotion or with others. So you just if you don't have a great stress, it can drag your immune system going down. So you need to find a way to relieve stress. Okay, on the other hand, if you're healthier, if you eat well, sleep well, your body is stronger, and you can handle stress better. So they are all related. So if your body is cold, not comfortable, or in pain, your body can be stressed out as well. So these 5 things you must do it properly, and then you can maintain good and strong immunity. Then you can catch the virus, but you may not be sick or have very little symptoms. You will get over it. So I caught the COVID this time because the main thing I found my fault is, first of all, I think I was overworked. I worked about 11 hours every day most. So I work at the office and work, during the week. I, on the weekend, I work in my yard. I overworked myself, and I think that's my main fault, drag my immune system down. Otherwise, I should be doing better than even this time, although I did not feel that bad. So I hope this video will help you uh, to prevent COVID causes all the complications and help you go through the pandemic safely. Well, thank you. Watch the video. See you next time.